Okay, fine. Good morning, everyone. So we started looking into the Indian polity and the constitution. So I was thinking, in fact, from last few days, I was going through the uh, certain question papers which we can consider as an important part or the most important stage of the NGA preparation. Right. So in this particular case, very first, I would like to tell you or emphasize more on the statement, which we can call it as what exactly that particular case is. Right. So, so everyone can see this one, right? Read this one, understand this one. So what exactly it is? So is it a job opportunity? Is not a job opportunity. Rather, what it is? So it is a way of life. Always keep in mind, it is not a job opportunity, rather it is a way of life, right? So now see, if this would be the case, then by which passion, right? Rather, first thing, there must be passion, and then by which passion you need to prepare for it, right? So it's not a case that you do some preparations and got entered and then it's end. No, it is actually a way of life, and therefore you have to always prepare for the way of life, right? Anyway, why I'm saying this one, or why, whether this is suitable or not, that will be the case which will be coming in front of you if I go through certain analysis, and which you may call the strategy, right? So I was thinking about the general ability test paper, that is your paper 2, right? So overall, there are 2 papers. First is of maths, right, which has how many questions? 120, which has 120 questions, right? And 300 maximum marks. Fine. Now, if you consider here, if there are 120 questions, 300 maximum marks, then obviously there will be 2.5 marks per question, right? Per instead of question, I will write per correct answer. And there is also reduction, right, of 0.83 marks per incorrect answer, right? So in both the cases, you get marks divided into these 2 categories, right? I will not be emphasizing more on this part, right? Then next case, or the next thing which is the paper 2 of GAT. Right? Negative marking is good because that will always bring the seriousness in the preparation, right? And what we can consider, that will always reflect only the confidence, right, in that particular case. If you have no confidence, obviously you will not be going for its attempt. But still, if you have overconfidence, you will be going with it. Sometimes having a no confidence, I would say, better than having overconfidence. Right? So, in my opinion, negative marking is good. And because of that, I will tell you a truth, right? Or I will share one thing with you that will wonder you, right? That how much you need to require to get clear the written examination. Even by and large, the same kind of marks or the cutoff will be there for interview as well, right? So, how much it would be around in percentage, right? How you can score, right? Is there every part necessary, right? I'm just trying to do it. In fact, I was trying to formulate it from a week or more than that, right? So I thought that before actually going or starting, now see, suppose yesterday we started a point called Indian polity and constitution. So in what way we should look into, right? What could be our approach? Because that will tell us to what certain or to what extent that particular point or the field must be prepared. That is very important. Fine. So because of that, I was just, and now I can give it a name as strategy. I will daring to give it a name as strategy. Right? Why I'm saying daring? Because it is not for full, right? If it could include the first paper as well, right, completely, then I would have said that this could be the strategy, right? So that within short time, right, within less time period, maximum productivity. With maximum productivity, you can crack the NGA exam, right? So that could be the thing. So paper 2, GAT, which has 150 questions of 600 maximum marks, right? So altogether here you have now 900 maximum marks, right? Keep in mind this particular thing. So in this case, these 120 questions for 600 marks will be giving you the +4 marks for each correct answer and -1.3 for each incorrect answer, right? So this will be the case which you can consider. Now, if the case is like this, then if someone wants to aim more than what I'm saying, then it is always good. But at least aim. I'm saying at least aim. Right. Now you know this thing. So at this point, right, at the start of, by knowing the structure of these two papers, right, and at the beginning or to start with, you must aim greater than 450 marks, right? So you can, or rather you should aim for 450 marks, right? Greater than 450 marks. If someone is aiming it at least 150, 450. That would also, let's say, what we can say, that would also be better, right? So this will be the case. Again, one more thing. At this particular moment, in fact, there is lot of time. I think 2 and 2, 4. 2 and 3. So at least 2 examinations have to be completed. Then and then you will be going into that phase. Still, I will say you one point, right? So whenever you will be filling the form for this particular exam, right? So at that time, you should always consider the vacancies, right? Vacancies through NDA to different academies that we have gone through. So the first one, right? For example, now NDA 1 is remade, right, which was supposed to conduct in last month, but now it has shifted on 6th of September. And on the same day, NDA 2 will be going to conduct, right? It is not yet clear. Maybe on 16th of June, it will be clear that whether same exam will be considered for, or single exam will be considered for both, or on the same day in two, what we can, shifts, the exams will be conducted, right? So that will come, and also vacancies in the NDA second, that will come on 16th of June. So as far as NDA 1, right? NDA 1, NDA 1 2020, right? We can consider. So as far as IMA is concerned, there are 208 seats. This is always being cleared, right? Whenever the details will coming, at that time, the NDA 2 details will come. Then Air Force Academy, 120 will be there, right? So how many these are? 328, right? And you know, there are around roughly 450 seats, or 450 vacancies are always around, right? Therefore, NGA. So these are 328, right? Then we can consider now the Indian Naval Academy, right, which has 42, right, vacancies. Plus, these are for Navy, and here we can consider plus 48, right? So altogether, these two in the Naval Academy. So around 90 seats are there. So 90 and let's say above, right? So 30. So it becomes 120, and you know, 300 and then 124. So altogether there are 428 vacancies are there, right? So I think 418. So this is the part which you should always consider at the time of filling the examination. Rather, I will say at the time of preparing for NG exam, because that will clear you, right? If you are enough clear in this particular case, right, whether you wanted to go for this one, right, whether you wanted to go for this one, or whether you wanted to go for this one, right, that will be always so that some affirmations will come through this, and you will be always having some of the affirmations and always getting done the preparations with it, right? So no, in fact, it is always there. It is always written as this is for Navy and this is for Naval, right? So this is the way they always bifurcate the vacancies, right? But the training will be at INA, right? That will be at Naval Academy. So you should not worry about that particular thing. But the bifurcation is always done. Fine. So it is the case which we can consider. See, this is not case that now I will be I'm thinking that what will be happening for ENG2, right? Whether they will call everybody let's say 200 plus something will come now in NDA 2, whether they will call all the cadets, right, to NDA for the, what we can consider, training. If they will be calling 800 cadets right, at a time. So now see how many preparations must be going on, because the facilities are not more than for 50 cadets training, right? So they must be preparing for it, right? And otherwise something will get happen, right? Temporarily, some of the northern NDA2 batch may be shifted to, let's consider, OTA, Gaya. That may be the possibility, right? So I don't know what will be happening. Most of these things may get clear on 16th of June. You should not worry about it, because you will be not facing this particular problem. Right? So I was talking about this one, and once you clear about your probable entry, right, where you want it to be, or fixed, right, and have the passion to only for that. So I think that will always motivate you to the preparation. So this would be the case which is always necessary. Now, in this particular case, as I said, right, so whenever you have to consider the marks, so as I said, cutoff is of 450. Sorry, not cutoff. You must aim to 450, right? So if you consider the cutoff, no, I don't have idea about it, because still it is not declared, right? They are also thinking what to do in that particular case, whether should go for the online exam, offline exam, when to go for it, right? So that are the cases. Still it is going on. Probably by the end of this month it may get clear, right? Because now much more time is being passed, right? So I think government of Maharashtra is also starting to so he is also looking to start the school colleges, right, in different sections, or let's say different parts. So it will be in written exam. If you got 450 marks out of 900, they will select to those only, or who got more than 450 marks, that cadet will select. It means who got more marks, they only select, or on border marks also they get select. Okay, I'm going to that particular point, right, where I'm saying that at least you must aim for at least 450 marks. See, as far as I have gone through the last 10 years cutoff, the qualifying criteria, right? So in that qualifying criteria, the cutoff marks, if you consider, the marks where I have written right here are much more than the actual cutoff. For example, 2018, 2019, the previous one, right? So the cutoff of previous exam, that is NDA 2019-1, right? So it was, for example, I'm saying you, for your question, for example, NDA 2019-1, right, whose cutoff is 342. Now, if you consider, if cutoff is of, okay, I will write out of 900. Now see what I have told, how much difference is there, right? But you should not focus on this. What I said, you must focus on this. If you focus on this and prepare, I assure you, you will be definitely succeeding in written exam. Right? Again, I will say you, what to do in this case, right? How you will be having bifurcation of these many marks which you wanted to obtain, right, in these two papers, further into two sections of this one, right, and further again 6 different small sections of part B of GAT 2, right? That would be the case. Somewhere I will tell you one more thing. In last 10 exams, instead of saying 10 years, last 10 exams, in 2016 NDA 2, the cutoff was only 229 marks. Only 229 marks. Those who have scored only 229 marks, they were called for SSB interview. Right. So it depends on it gate change. One more thing. So this is what I said about the lowest one. I will be writing it for your reference if someone wants, right? Then this is for the lowest one. What about the highest in last 10 exams? So in 2014, again, 2014 NDA 1, the cutoff was 360. And that is the highest one. So 360 and 450, again, there is a huge difference of 90 marks, right? So how much it will get changed, right? So that's the reason why I said you must always, right? And because of that, you should not focus thoroughly on each and every point. That doesn't mean that you should only focus on few points, right? So my earlier statement is that you may skip 1 or 2 points in each of the papers, right? You have that list. I will. There are questions of 3 categories throughout the papers, right? Because of that, I suggest you everyone, right, after equal interval, try to go through the previous question papers, right? You can get these previous question papers on the website of UPSC. That is from where you will be filling your NGA form, right? So that will be, see, all India rank. What exactly all India rank means, right? So if you come in first few of the 50 or first 20, within first 20, how it is going to matter? Ultimately, it is not going to matter. See, it is not a race, keep in mind, right? So very first thing, I think I must have said it some time ago. Today I will again say you, right? इन आर्म फोर्सेस एक कहावत है, चाहे फौजी हो या अफसर हो, सब चट्टे बट्टे एक ही थाली का बना हुआ खाते, right? I think I must have said earlier this particular thing. So you cannot have this kind of these kinds of things, right? Ultimately, it is not a race; it is altogether a team, right? I always believe in team, but always keep in mind group is different and team is different, right? So you cannot say every group can be a team, right? So in team, each and every member, right? For example, if you consider Indian cricket team, so it is not an Indian cricket group. Excuse me. So it is not a Indian cricket group, because in group you will not be finding out the specialized members, but in team you will be finding out the specialized members. 4-5 batsmen, 1 or 2 all-rounders, actual all-rounders, 1 wicket keeper, 3-4 fast bowlers, 1 or 2 spinners. So you have specialized, right? So that doesn't that will not be the composition of your group, right? So you should be always team, and that team will be always groomed by or groomed through the training, right? So if some of you have seen the movie Student of the Year, so that kind of competition is not there, at least in the Indian Armed Forces, right? जो आपको आपके बड़ी से ही दूर कर दे, बड़ी peer, right? So you will be never alone in your training period. Wherever you are, whether in NGA or whether in IMA, you will be always having your buddy, right? So wherever you will be going, your buddy is always with you. So that will be the case. Anyway, so this would be the case which you can consider. Now, for this, the time period is 2.5 hours. Here again, 2.5 hours. Now see, in 2.5 hours, right, this will be the time period which you will be having. So I was talking about, right, the categories of questions. So there are 3 categories of questions in each of these papers. Easy, medium, right, hard, or I will say lengthy. Right. So you must have enough practice in this case so that you will not waste your much more time in these kinds of questions. Right. At the same time, you should not lose. You should not skip the questions from this category, and you should not have any scope, right, of getting wrong in this particular case. Fine. Again, in this case, and because of this, right, these are, if we categorize questions in these 3 categories and having a time of these many minutes, right, if you convert it into hours, and having the questions, right, so here 120 questions for 150 minutes, and here 150 questions in 150 minutes, right. So still here you can have a time period, like which will be varying from 1.3 minutes to 3 minutes. So most of the questions you must clear or you must attempt in 1.5 minutes, and most of the questions which are, as I said, hard or lengthy, at the most you can spend a time of 3 minutes. But see, now if you make a calculation 3 minutes, right, so you'll be thinking that at least suppose 3 minutes questions are of 20. So how would you bring a time period of 1.3 minutes for remaining questions? The case is not like that. In that particular case, if you are going to spend or invest time for this kind of question, that would be for that particular question at the most these many minutes, and you have no scope to leave that question unattempted, right? And secondly, it should not get wrong, right? That will be the point which is necessary, or you should always keep in mind. Fine. So this would be the thing which you should always have in mind. Then what about this particular case? Right. So here you can have any of the questions, right, which will be varying from, let's say, 45 seconds to 1 and 30 minutes, right? So again, smallest one. See, there are certain questions in GAT paper 2, right? Whether it is part English or what we can consider part B, right? There are certain questions whose answers you can answer within 6 to 7 seconds. Right? There are so many such kind of questions are there, right, in each of the section. But